with borrow. Is it? Huh? Yes. Before starting today class, let's pray. Close your eyes and say with me. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sadam. Slowly open your eyes. Okay. And open your textbook also. Page number 106. Already we finished subtraction of 2-digit numbers with a borrow. Borrow ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. Next. Take one example. Subtract 389 and from 790. Okay. You have to subtract 389 from 790. 790 ಇಂದ 380 ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚಾರ್ಟ್. Ones, tens, 100. Now put the numbers. Use this column for borrow. First 790. Dot number yavudadaralli 790. So write that first. After 389 and don't forget putting subtraction sign. Minus is the subtraction sign. Okay. Now subtract. Here 0 has a value. Here 0 has a value. Is it? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅದು? Because here 9 is a big number and 0 is a small number. So you have to take here one borrow. 1 means that is a 10. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು 10 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಾವು 1 borrow ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 10 rupees ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Now we can easily subtract here. From 10, 9. Okay. In 10, 9 subtract how much remains? 1. You already taken borrow. You have to subtract that in a tens place. Now here 9 no. 1 subtract how much remains there? 8. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಇತ್ತು. ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 borrow ತಗೊಂಡೆ. 1 borrow means ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 1 ಸ್ಪೇಸಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋ ಸಾಲವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ವಾರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು? ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಅವ್ರ ಸಾಲವನ್ನು ತೀರಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ. 9 I have 9. So already I take on 1 borrow no? To subtract. You should subtract here. In the 9, 1 subtract how much remains? 8. If you gadla madidre nimge sum artha agodilla. So in a second standard class already you practiced that. Don't forget. Next 8 minus 8 0. Next in a 7 3 subtract how much remains? In a 7 3 subtract how much remains? 4. Yes, this is a answer. When we are subtracting, you have to cross check that with adding the numbers. ನಾನು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸರಿಯೋ ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Yes, see here you have to add these two numbers, this subtrahend and the difference. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ subtrahend ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ different ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, difference ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Not a different, difference. Yes. Now add 389 plus 401. Now 9 plus 10. 9 plus 1 how much? 10. 8 plus 1 9. 4 plus 3 7. You got the answer? Huh? Yes. Your sum is right. This is a cross checking. After subtracting, you have any confusion, you add that difference and a subtrahend. ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಂದಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಿಂದ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಕಾಪಿ ಇಟ್. ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. Subtract 684 from 973. Make a chart. Place value chart. It's looking nice, no? This columns avoiding mistakes. ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಬರೀತೀವಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. That's why practice it and it's looking very nice. Your fade. Okay. Next, ones, tens, and hundreds. Now, first, which number you have to write? 973 or 684? Which is the largest number? 973. Leave this column for borrow. ಇದನ್ನ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾರೋ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ನೈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ನೋ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬಾರೋ ಇದು ನಾವು ಕೈಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು borrowing, that is a place for borrowing. ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಸಮ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ put the minus sign and 684. Now subtract. Here 4 is a big number and 3 is a small number. We cannot subtract 4 from 3. 3 ಇಂದ 4 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು subtract ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So what is the way? Is there one way? Taking a borrow. Here 3 begin 13. 3 ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲಿ 13 ಆಯಿತು. So we can subtract easily 4 from 13. 13 ಇಂದ 4 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. Leave that 4. Already we forgot that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 9. Next. Cross this. Yes. Here also 8 is a big number, 7 is a small number. We cannot subtract here 8 from 7. Again, I am taking here one borrow. It's a 17, not a 17, 16. Why? Already I taken one borrow. No? ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೀರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡೆ. ಇದು 17 ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. But I subtract here 1. Already I took borrow, no? That's why I am subtracting here that borrow. ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು 16. In a 16, 8 subtract, 8 remains. Yes. Now cross it. In a 9, 1 subtract how much remains? 8. In a 8, 6 subtract how much remains? 2. Yes. If you have any confusion, add these numbers. You're getting answer. Is this friends? Okay. It is a logic. ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. Follow that steps. Practice more. It's a making perfect you. But don't neglect maths. Maths ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಅದೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದ ಕಡಲೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಬಿಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ಎಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 3.2. Exercise 3.2. Yes, you have to solve that. First one, subtract. Subtract. E, F, G. These are homos. Yes. A to I. These are homos. Write down. Today homework. First main A to I. Sums are homework for you. Today's homework. Yes. Second one. Arrange in columns and subtract. Arrange in columns. Arrange in columns and subtract. First one. 72 minus 36. Yes, two digit numbers are here. Ones and tens. 72, 36. Here, 6 is a big number, 2 is a small number. You have to take one borrow means 12. In a 12, 6 subtract, 6 remains. Is it? And cross it. Right here 6y. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So that is a borrow. ನಾವು ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ that is a borrow. 6 minus 3, 3 only. The answer is 36. First one and second one. In each row you have to do 2 sums only. It's looking nice and it's systematic. Okay. 48 minus 9. Sorry, 19. Not a 9, 19. Must and should draw column and write. Yes. 8 is a small number and 9 is a big number. What to do now here? Take borrow. One borrow means that is a 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Let's begin 18. In a 18, 9 subtract. How much remains? 9 only. Because 9 twos are 18. You have to add tables. Practice the tables. Multiplication tables. Okay. Daily 5, 5. And cross here 3. In a 3, 1 subtract how much remains? 2. 19 plus 29 equal to 48. A and B. Copy this. Copied? Next. This is exercise 3.2. See. 91 minus 57. Yes. Ones and tens. 91, 57. Yes. In 11, 7 subtract how much remains? Leave that 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Count till 11. Okay. Now we get 7 and a bit. Leave that 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. 4. Next. Cross this and write 8. Why? Already I taken here borrow. I am subtracting that number. 1. In the 9, 1 subtract 8 remains. That's why I written 8. 8 minus 5, how much? 3. Yes. Don't forget putting a subtraction sign. D. 53 minus 47. Let's draw column first. Okay. Ones, tens, 53 and 47. Yes. Here. In a 13, 7 subtract how much remains? Leave that 7 and you have to go forward counting till 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much? 6. Yes. Cross this and write a 4. 4 minus 4, how much? 0. The answer is 4. The difference is 4. E. These are 3-digit numbers. Now here 3-digit subtractions. 937 minus 677. Draw 3 columns here. Till now we did 2-digit numbers. Now here we are going to do 3-digit numbers. Ones, tens and hundreds. 937 and 677. In 7 subtract how much remains there? None. 0. I have 7 and I forgot that. That is a 7. Next, in a 3, 7. Next lesson. Huh? In 3, we cannot subtract 7 because 3 is a small number. So, take borrow. 1 borrow means that is 10. 10 plus 3 how much? 13. In 13, 7 subtract. Leave that 7 and till count 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 6. Cross it and write here 8. Why? I am subtracting here that borrow. 8 minus 6 how much? 2. The difference between 937 and 677 is 260. Yes. E. F. Copy this in your fair book. F. What is that? 868 minus 609. Make a column first. Zero, 10. There is not a 0, 1 and 100. 868 minus 609. Here 8 is a small number and 9 is a big number. We cannot subtract 9 from 8. Is it? So take here borrow. 1 borrow means 10. 10 plus 8, 18. In a 18, 9 subtract, 9 remains. And cross this, write 5. Why? Here we are subtracting that borrow. In next place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ borrow after carry borrow ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ subtract 5. 8 minus 6 F G after F G. See the numbers 539 minus 395. Okay. Times 100. 539 minus 395. In a 9, 5 subtract 4 remains. Yes, we can easily subtract here. Why? 9 is a big number and 5 is a small number. We can subtract here easily. Now here 3 is a small number and 9 is a big number. So we have to take here borrow. In a 13, 9 subtract how much remains? Leave that 9 and count till 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 4. Cross this and write down 4. 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 1 remains there. G. After G, H. Open your fair book. 687 minus 359. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Ones, tens and hundreds. 687, 359. Minus. Now, 17. In 17, 9 subtract how much remains? You get 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Huh? How much remains? 9. Leave that 9. A 9 and a bit bitter. Now 17 ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ count ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8. And cross this. Write down 7. In a 7, 5 subtract how much remains? 2. Yes. 6 minus 3, 3 remains. Here we are not took or taken borrow. That's why I have written. And ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ ತೀರಿಸೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. So leave that. Neatly copy in your book. Each row you have to write 2 sums. I did here 3, but you have to do 2 sums only. First margin, in between margin, that the end. Okay. Next, copy it neatly. Copy it fast. Properties of subtraction. Okay. In our next class, properties of addition. So, copy it, students. Already I given homework. You have to complete that. We'll meet in the next class with the properties of subtraction. What are the properties of subtraction? Okay. Till then, have a nice day.